Hello and welcome to a Wix beginner tutorial. Prefer a quick website setup without chatting? Let's go. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, ensure you're in All Sites. From there, click Create New Site. Choose Setup Without Chat. Choose your website type. We'll choose Offering Services. Here it's asking offering services for what, so describe what your site is about. We're going to choose a modern coaching website with booking options. Click Continue. Here it's starting to develop your layout. It's asking you what you want to call your site. We'll choose, it offers suggestions, which is nice. If you have a name, you can put in your own name. We'll choose Modern Mentor. Click Continue. So Wix will continue to ask questions to help build your site. That is it for this tutorial. That is how you use Setup Without Chat. Quick tip, Team Chat gives you flexibility. Team No Chat gives you speed and control. Which one are you? Thank you for watching.